Hi, I'm Megumi, Los Angeles-based makeup artist, originally from Japan. In today's masterclass, I'm so excited to show you Japanese skin prep tips for natural, fresh, healthy, everyday makeup look with Seiso JBeauty. To achieve the look, I'm going to show 4 simple skincare steps. I'm also going to show my favorite facial massage using Japanese techniques. Cleansing is an important step. I'm going to use this Fua gentle cleanser. This soft and gentle foam clarifies the pores. Sadly, many foaming cleansings take away skin moisture. Many people don't want to wash their face in the morning, but I do recommend daily cleansing. Apply the foam and gently massage. This is the foundation of the skin, clean, soft, and balanced. Next, I'm going to put pure ceramide concentrate. Our bodies lose ceramide as we age. By age 30, we've lost 40%, and by age 40, over 60%. We need them for barrier protection for smooth and hydrated skin. Next, I'm applying ceramide moisture milk. It plumps and softens skin. To apply, I like to press my hands over the face. This moisture milk also has 100% natural human type ceramide, as well as antioxidant-rich vitamins and botanical oils. It absorbs into skin well. I love using this water velvet cream. It has a light and smooth texture. Additionally, it doesn't contain silicones, which is often found in many creams. Now I will show you step-by-step Japanese massage technique. It's called lymphatic drainage face massage. The lymph nodes are here, in front of ear, behind the ear, under the chin, inside of collarbone. The general flow is from center of face towards to these points and drain down to collarbone. Lastly, going down to armpit. Press the cream into face and neck. Starting from under chin, push up slowly and softly from chin to behind ears. I always try to do at least 5 times on all of motions. From under lips towards to front of ears with 2 fingers. Pushing just under the nose. This is good for clearing up allergies and congestions. Move to front of ears by going under cheekbones to front of ears. Using 4 fingers from nose to temples. Just try to imagine everything lifting. Massage under eye is good for removing dark circles Even if you are not doing whole face massage, this motion can be a good morning routine. Push on pressure point where the inner corner of the eye meets the nose. It feels good, also helps awaken eyes. Start from this point, slowly towards the temples with 2 fingers. Press along the bone on the eyebrows. Gently press, starting at the center of the forehead, slowly moving up and out to the temples. Next, this motion hitting all of lymph nodes from temples to front of ears to collarbone. This helps push out all toxins from the face. Lastly, starting in between collarbones, push out along the collarbones towards to the armpit. This is where toxins will be released. The key for fresh makeup, I like using cream. I generally only use powders after applying all other makeup if necessary. Tinted moisturizer has SPF and moisturizer that protects the skin all day. It is a good base. I use Beauty Blender to blend into the skin. If you need little more coverage, grab creamy concealer where needed. Take the cream brush color and dab on your eyelids. This is a great technique for a fresh look to awaken and brighten your eyes. I'm also going to use on the cheek as well. I use fingers first and beauty blenders next to blend into the skin. Mascara is an easy way to make the eye pop. For a fresh look, I like to keep the mascara light. After applying mascara, use the empty ones to brush up so it doesn't get clumpy. Eyebrows frame your face. It's really important part. Beck already has gorgeous eyebrows, so I do brush up everything and fill in the end a tiny bit. And brush up again to blend, and using clear gel to keep eyebrows up. When you fill in the gap, choose 1 or 2 shades lighter than your natural eyebrow color. Before highlight, I'm going to lightly powder under eyes, around nose, and little bit of chin and forehead. Now take the cream highlight, apply on eyelid, cheekbone, nose, and lastly, take the tiny brush to inside the corner of eyes. We are done. Beck, thank you for being here.
Thank you.